So I thought I'd give you a quick kitchen garden tour. It's all looking a bit scrappy. I haven't had much time for gardening, to be honest. I only have an hour a week to keep on top of this kitchen garden and this greenhouse. So it's hard really for me to keep things going in summer because everything goes so fast. And I could easily spend an hour just watering probably. But yeah, I mean, it's looking quite nice in here. I've just done a video on it, so, you know, where I've gone through the details. But loads of cucumbers, we've had loads of courgettes, loads of French beans, loads of tomatoes. In fact, the tomatoes are just looking really good in here. I've got, these are the sun golds and the honeycombs. I've got like 7 or 8 trusses on those and I've just pinched them out. Peppers are coming on beautifully. I think that's enough for in here. Nectarines are doing really nice out here. Apricots, these are my first apricots. I'm hoping for a few. I keep losing a few obviously. June drop. Peppers are looking really nice. These are the outdoor ones. And they're ripening quite nicely. And the ones in the polytunnel are even better. These are the really early courgettes. We've had loads and loads of courgettes off these. They're all sort of dying back now with mildew. I could cut them back, but to be honest, my main crop courgettes are nearly ready. So I don't really need these courgettes. What I do need are these containers so I can get my late potatoes planted. And I've got another one over here. I've got tomatoes down the back here. These are all looking quite nice. My leeks, that'll be going to the allotment soon. My grapevine, it's got loads and loads of little grapes on it now. Much better than last year. I didn't get a single grape off here last year. Just planted this golden purslane out, salad onions here. Strawberries there, mainly just for the runners. That's not a great bed for strawberries, but I just popped a few in there so I could get some runners off them. And those will go into my hanging baskets for next year's early crop. More salad onions there, so all these beds will get replanted pretty soon. Got a few cauliflowers and calabrese and things in these beds, and then all these will get replanted. Spring cabbages. Again, all going to get replanted pretty soon. Peas looking quite nice. I think that's my 5th succession of peas. And a few strawberries in hanging baskets. Most of them are down the side here on the floor, so I haven't got space. These are, can't remember what it's called now, but anyway, meant to be a really great pea. And so I'm looking forward to these. Not one that you can get commercially, one that was sent to me by a viewer. So yeah, quite excited about those. These are in light shade, which is why they're really tall and leggy. Lettuces, can't keep on top of lettuces. French beans at the back of the lettuces. Beetroot, interplanted with salad onions. Just cleared the overwintered onions from this bed, and really pleased with the harvest of the overwintered onions this year. Blueberries looking beautiful. Quite a nice crop on these, and starting to get some ripe ones now, picking those every day. Nice range as well. I've got blueberries all over the place, all down here, and all come at different times. Late potatoes, so these are the ones we'll be harvesting in March, April, and I've got some more here. I'm just about to plant the ones that I use for my seed stock for next year. A few strawberries, which I basically have just had to leave because I haven't been able to water these, so they've all just sort of died back. I didn't have time to pick them, but taking this bed out anyway, because it's an old, very old bed of strawberries now, and I'm going to find something else to do with it. Onions, really interesting to see these onions. So if I walk along here, see how small these onions are here? These are the ones in more shade. And as we go down here, I get progressively more sun. Just look at the difference in the size of them. These are huge at this end by comparison. So I'm pleased that at this end, I put the onions that I wanted the most, so the most important onions, and at that end I put the trial onions. So we'll see how those go. These are my late summer, not autumn, but late summer fruiting raspberries, and they need tying in because the first storm we get, they'll all collapse on me. And as I say, more blueberries, cherries, more not strawberries, more tomatoes. And these are coming on pretty well. These are cuttings from the early plants, side shoots from the early plants. And you can see how far on they are because I've got the first trusses on them. And I've got loads of yak on, and some more of my outdoor peppers. Again, looking pretty good. There's some more down there, just starting to ripen. And yeah, so I'll just show you these tomatoes here. Look. I've been picking them for ages. All the way up here. It's actually got fruit set right on the very top truss there. And yeah, so here's some of the tomato plants in here as well in the hanging baskets. So a really nice crop of tomatoes. And yeah, aubergines down here. Yeah, it's all looking reasonable. Cucumbers looking quite nice. So there we go, all done. My name's Steve, this is the Outgrow channel, and I'll see you soon.